Eh? Alright, the question is, what is the body count?
3.
Bumbo.
3.
3 alone? Yeah, you add one more for be 10.
10 and 4, idiot. 3.
Next,
Body count, alright.
next question. What is the freakiest thing you ever do?
I'm not alright, I'm not freaky. I'm never do that.
Next question. What's the most nasty behavior you go in a bedroom?
What?
You go in a bedroom. The nastiest something.
Backers.
Bumbo clat. Yeah. Wow. Alright. Next question.
In a class.
Next question. Question is what's your favorite position?
Backers.
Backers. Right.
Okay, guys, wait.
Alright guys, so
You're gonna see a beautiful young girl.
one special
If you want to just comment down below. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. 3, 2, 1. There you go. There you're my side.
yeah, so a special guest.
Are you together?
Yeah, YouTube, yeah. You can sit down. We ask some nasty questions.
Next question.
Next question is which question for take again now? Other question is what's the most exclusive thing you ever do?
Whenever I do nothing exclusive.
Yeah. Well, it's enough. Oh, it's enough.
Whenever I do nothing nasty.
Never.
Never.
Never in your life yet?
Never.
You want me like Q&A too?
Never.
You want that too?
Never.
Oh, not Tapo.
My brother. My brother.
Next question. What's the most freakiest that dung more freakiest freakiest thing like some gorilla lick the balls and them stuff.
And then you do after you famous.
I don't just say I never done something there. To be honest, I never done that. I never done that in my entire life. Never.
Next question. You ever saw the
No, I do not post this fucking video. I never done that. Come, give some change that, delete that.
How
Some
phone
truth out there.
cases?
What's up,
guys, so today we are gonna ask this special guest over here, Akeelah. So today
So me not there in camera.
and female.
So today we are doing some truth idea with Akeelah. So remember for like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah. So we'll get the video now. Yeah.
Guys, don't mind the crop.
Well, you can't tell me to, you know. Hold on, make sure come here. Make sure come here.
Start.
Come here, burn over.
Truth or dare. My body not so big.
Alright. Who want to go first?
You first ask me. I mean ask female. And then female ask me.
Alright. Truth or dare?
True. Don't
You ever suck big toe?
Never. You hear that question that you wanna ask me. Never suck big toe. You're brighty. With some with blood clot at the day. And don't black it out. I drove black out that blood too. Right there. You never suck big toe yet.
My time.
Truth or
Yeah,
dare?
Akeelah says
Truth or dare?
truth.
If it's like, I mean, tell us something in a YouTube video.
No, after me know, and the video will end.
Bumbo clock.
No.
Truth or dare? You know truth or dare?
Yeah.
Come ask him.
Ask me now.
Truth idea.
Why I wouldn't
Truth or dare? Come now, ready now.
Truth
You can't
idea.
do more things,
set
brother.
like a walk cook stick?
Truth or dare?
I
My
back a man function. It got
Truth or dare?
Truth or dare? Which one?
Do you ever? Do you ever?
No, me for ask you.
No,
truth or dare.
you've asked me. And asked
Yeah,
me.
truth or dare.
Dear.
Hello, my name is Amina
Jesus,
Rabisu.
Bumba Clad Christ.
Bro, what you
But then
call
a
for?
YouTube video.
What you call for?
But then a
No,
YouTube video.
What you call for?
Why I
Are you
want
want to
check?
my?
Come then a YouTube video too.
Come,
But you can post
so.
a video there.
We can put
Yeah,
a
no,
little
see how
video
it's-
there.
And I said, turn for you.
Right to the camera.
Say hi.
Hi, my name is Monica J.
Hello, my name is Akeelah.
Hello,
the girl,
man.
you know the girl them bubble gum and beer things.
Yeah, hello, my name is Amina. My name is Amina.
Akeelah, you know, follow me on Instagram, Miss Budu Shop, you see me? Miss underscore Budu underscore Budu Shop. And say one active flames.
Yeah.
You see me?
Follow me on Instagram, guys, and follow me on TikTok. It's your boy.
One
Follow me
Budu,
on TikTok and
one
Instagram.
Budu them,
Monica.
on
As
TikTok.
Monica K.
As much people
Monica
that
K.
don't
And
follow.
Monica J is
Too
on
much people.
TikTok.
Too
Yeah.
much people.
Guys. Jada Kingdom is my twin sister.
So no boy there, them Dirty Jake one and beer
Me
things.
know my camera lag so. Me know what go on.
Yeah, let bubble gum.
And them a one for me and a bowl.
Alright,
Do
you
it
can
that
do.
Akeelah.